New York City divorce lawyer. Ending a marriage is never easy, and in New York City nearly half of marriages end in divorce or separation, making this a significant legal and an emotional challenge. Divorce can deeply affect families, creating emotional and financial strain, especially when children are involved. Having a capable legal advocate provides clarity and reassurance in this process. New York law permits both no-fault and fault-based divorces, but most filings use the no-fault option that requires an irretrievable breakdown of at least 6 months. Fault-based grounds such as cruelty, abandonment, imprisonment, adultery, or separation agreements require evidence and often increase conflict and cost. An uncontested divorce occurs when spouses agree on property division, spousal support, and child custody, whereas contested divorces involve disputes and may require negotiation, mediation, or trial. Uncontested cases usually conclude in a few months after proper paperwork is filed, while contested matters may take a year or more. Divorce cases are filed at the New York County Supreme Court, and at least one spouse must meet residency requirements. The process involves filing for an index number, serving papers, exchanging financial disclosures, and either negotiating a settlement or proceeding to trial. New York is an equitable distribution state, so marital property is divided fairly rather than equally. Marital property includes most assets acquired during the marriage, whereas separate property such as premarital assets, gifts, or inheritances generally remains with the original owner unless commingled. Courts consider each spouse's income, the length of the marriage, age and health, and the need for a custodial parent to remain in the home when dividing property. Spousal support may be awarded to help a lower-earning spouse maintain financial stability, and judges can adjust the amount based on factors like income, marriage duration, and earning capacity. Mediation uses a neutral third party to help spouses reach agreements outside of court, often reducing costs and preserving control over the outcome. Mediation sessions are private and work best when both spouses are willing to negotiate in good faith. When children are involved, courts apply the best interests of the child standard, weighing each parent's ability to provide a stable home and foster the child's relationship with the other parent. Custody may be legal or physical and can be sole or joint, and child support is calculated using the parent's combined income. New York is not a 50-50 divorce state. Equitable distribution focuses on fairness rather than equal division. You can file for divorce even if your spouse does not agree. If your spouse does not respond, a default judgment may be granted. Although hiring a lawyer is not legally required in an uncontested divorce, consulting an attorney helps ensure your settlement is fair and that all paperwork is filed correctly. The marital home is subject to equitable distribution and may be sold, bought out by one spouse, or granted for exclusive use when children are involved. Certain aspects of a divorce settlement, such as child custody, child support, and spousal support, can be modified if circumstances change. Filing first does not provide a legal advantage. Both parties have equal rights to present their positions even though the petitioner sets the initial timeline. At the law office of Ryan Besinque, our law firm serves clients throughout Manhattan and the surrounding boroughs, including Westchester and Nassau counties. Our New York City divorce lawyer guides clients through every stage of the process, protecting parental rights and financial interests while striving to maintain peace of mind. If you are considering divorce or have questions about property division, spousal support, child custody, or mediation, our law firm offers personalized guidance. Call the law office of Ryan Besinque at 929-251-4477 or visit us at 115 West 25th Street 4th floor, New York, New York, 10001, United States for a free consultation.